We're wrapping up this Monday with our good friend Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. We've already featured two Halloween fall type recipes this morning, and we're going to end the day with a final treat today. Charlene, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We do have some great recipes for snacks. So whether you're getting ready for Halloween or you've got that football game coming up and you want some new munchies, we've got some great ideas.
Very nice. Tell us what we're making today, Charlene.
We are making some sweet and spicy nuts, and I love this recipe because it's nutritious and one that you can kind of adapt and make it whether you want it more sweet or more spicy to fit what you're doing. First, we're going to do is make our spicy seasoning mixture, and in a small bowl here, we're going to combine our sugar, our seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. And that cayenne pepper you can use from 1 teaspoon to whatever variation you want to make it the hotness that you like, Chris. Then we're going to take a large bowl, and you can see that I've whisked an egg white just until it was foamy with my whisk. And to that now we're going to add all of our nuts. And I've got honey roasted soy nuts. I've got roasted edamame. Those two soy ingredients give us lots of good protein and snacks. But then you can add other nuts. I've got pecans, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, slivered almonds, walnut halves, whatever nuts you like, you can add into this mixture. Stir that together so it covers really good with the egg white mixture. And then we're going to put the seasoning that we made earlier and coat that with it. Stir it really well. And then pour that mixture into a parchment-lined baking pan. Bake it at 325 for 15 minutes. Stir it. Bake it another 15 minutes until it's toasted. And then take it out of the oven and let it cool. You can see we'll put that into a serving dish, and boy, it makes a wonderful snack and actually makes about 6 cups of nuts.
Very nice. I have to say, I eat a lot of the plain soy roasted nuts all the time, so I can't wait to see what these jazzed up nuts taste like. It looks pretty delicious, Charlene.
Thank you, Chris. And that roasted soy nuts gives you 14 grams of protein. So if you're looking for a boost in your protein, you've got it with this recipe.
Absolutely. Charlene, if they're looking for the recipe, if they couldn't follow along as fast as they needed to, they can find it on your website.
Go to Kansas.
I'm Michelle de la Isla, and I approve this message.